Hi, I'm Lee Gully, and I'll be your professor for Principles of Biology online this semester. And I wanted to just show you a few things on the website to help get you started in class. So when you log in to your MyNWAC connection, you will access Blackboard, and then you will find this course from your list of courses. Once you click on that, and it will say Principles of Biology, section 58W, click on that, and they'll bring you to this site. The first thing you'll see is the announcement page, and this is where I will post important announcements, but I will also send these announcements to you as an email, so make sure that you're checking your email daily. The other items that you see in this menu, you can see this Getting Started link. If you click on Getting Started, it will take you to these documents. What we're doing this semester in our online biology classes, we are using Pearson's MyLab and Mastering Biology sites. So this is the required Mastering Biology code and textbook information. Make sure that you read that and you have what you need. Once you have your access code, then you can sign into the Pearson website. And you do that using the instructions that you will see. This is a YouTube video actually that will tell you how to link the Mastering Biology, the MyLab Mastering Biology with this course. And that's how you'll access all of your homework. What you'll see next is the online biology class schedule, and then an introduction from myself. Then over here on the left-hand side, to get to your syllabus, you'll want to click on Syllabus. On the Syllabus tab, you will see the syllabus. You'll also see a lab safety document. Your very first quiz in this class is a quiz that covers this syllabus and this lab safety document. So you want to read these two first, and then you can access that first quiz. Now, all of your quizzes and your chapter homework and chapter PowerPoints can all be found under this link, Chapter Contents. So when you click on the Chapter Contents link, it will take you to all these materials. This is a study area. That's a nice area. You can click on this and it will link you to that MyLab Mastering Biology site by Pearson, and they have videos and animations and practice quizzes and lots of other kinds of materials that you can access through here. Your first actual assigned quiz is this one, Biology Online Syllabus and Safety Quiz. It tells you, if you'll read underneath there, that you need to read through that syllabus and the lab safety document first, and that those are located under the Syllabus tab. So you will click on that, and then you'll proceed through that quiz. Your chapter materials are here, beginning with Chapter 1, and when you scroll down, you'll see the remaining chapters throughout the semester. But when you click on one of these chapter content folders, it will bring you to that chapter's PowerPoint. It will also bring you to a place where you can link to get to the homework. So this is really just telling you what is homework number 1. So it says homework 1 consists of chapters 1 and 2. Then if you read underneath there, it says to complete the chapter homework, click on the Mastering Assignments link below. So that's actually this link that you see here. So when you click on this Mastering Assignments link, this will take you out to that Pearson site. Now, you won't be able to get to this Pearson site until you've actually made the link, where you've linked this to the Blackboard course. And you do that again by following the instructions in that YouTube video that I showed you under the Getting Started tab. So once you have completed that, then you'll be able to get to this material. And so here you see Chapter 1 and 2 homework. So you click on that link, and that takes you out then to the homework. If I click on Student View, you'll see what it will look like. You'll complete the homework. As you'll see in the syllabus, if you make a 70% or more on your homework assignments, then I will record 10 points for a homework score for you. So back to, this is our Chapter 1 content. To get to the labs, over here on the left, you'll see the Biology Labs tab, and you'll click on that, and that takes you to the labs that we'll be doing this semester. There is a lab kit content document. I mentioned in an earlier email to you that this course does require a lab kit, and you can pick that up in Burns Hall between 8 and 4. Those are ready to be picked up. And then here's where you can access then the actual labs, and it tells you what's in the folder. So in Lab 1, Scientific Method, that has an actual copy of the lab itself here, as well as what's in the lab kit that goes with this particular lab. But what you'll do is you'll open up Lab 1, Scientific Methodology, and you will have reading in there. It's a Word document, so you'll read through here, and then you will see the protocol, which are the instructions of what you will actually do. So procedures and answer sheet. So what you'll want to do, once you've opened this up, you will actually type directly into this document. You'll type your answers. And it's great if you'll put your answers in maybe a different colored font so that they show up nice and easily when I'm grading them. So you'll fill in the document as you go. You'll be running an experiment and collecting data, which will end up in a table. Once you've completed the lab, save the lab to your computer. And then you're going to upload that lab into the assignment submission folder. So let me show you where that is. So if we go back to where the biology labs are, you will see an assignment submission folder underneath each one of the corresponding labs. So here you see Lab 1 assignment submission. So you will click on that, and it tells you when the lab is due, how many points that lab is worth, and then here's where you can then attach a file, browse your computer to actually upload that lab document that you just saved. So that's one option. Your other option is to scan it in or copy and paste it. If you copy and paste it, then you would paste it here into this comment box. So you're either going to upload the document, copy it into here, one or the other, and then you're going to click submit, and that will submit your lab. Okay, one other item to show you. If you'll look back again in this menu list, you'll see discussion board. This is where all of your discussion questions will be located. So here you see DQ1, that's discussion question 1, an introduction, and here's where it describes what you'll want to do. It says this DQ is due by Wednesday, September 3rd. So in order to then post yours, you'll click on that link, and then you'll see where you can create a thread. And then you'll put your name in the subject line there, and then you can put your introduction right here. You can either type it in, or I actually recommend typing it into a Word document and then copying and paste it into this section. So then you don't make any mistakes, and then you can hit submit. And submit's located here. So that's where you find all of your materials for class. So again, you have your getting started documents with your video that's going to describe how to link your Pearson site to this course. The syllabus and the lab safety schedules here. I posted the lab or the class schedule again in another link underneath there. Your chapter contents, which will take you to your chapter PowerPoints and your homework and those kinds of materials, your biology labs and your lab submission folders, and then the discussion board. So I hope